a cozy and inviting home environment, with soft lighting and comfortable furnishings. In the heart of comfort and convenience, where dreams converge with reality, a captivating narrative unfolds, a tale of money-making opportunities from home. Medley of various scenes within a home, showcasing different ways to earn money. Welcome to the timeless journey of individuals who transformed their living spaces into hubs of financial growth and personal fulfillment. Animated depiction of a person working on a laptop in a home office. Meet Jane, a visionary who defied conventional work norms. Embracing the power of remote work, she turned her home into a sanctuary of productivity, balancing her career and her life seamlessly. Animated graphics illustrating the concept of freelancing. Sarah's journey leads us to the realm of freelancing, a digital marketplace where talents shine brightly. Enter Ethan, a freelancer who turned his passion for writing into a livelihood, navigating a world where skills transcend geographical boundaries. An artisan crafting handmade products at a work table. As the narrative unfolds, we encounter artisans like Mia, who transformed their homes into workshops of creativity. With skillful hands and artistic vision, she turned hobbies into a source of income, crafting products that resonated with a global audience. Animated graphics illustrating the concept of e-commerce. The digital era beckons, leading us to the exciting world of e-commerce. Mark, an e-commerce entrepreneur, discovered the art of turning his home into a digital storefront, reaching customers far beyond his local radius. A parent engaged in online tutoring, followed by animated graphics illustrating the power of online education. Amidst the home's embrace, a new chapter unfolds, online education. Lily, a passionate educator, transformed her home into a virtual classroom, guiding students on a journey of knowledge and transformation. Animated graphics illustrating the potential of content creation. The symphony of opportunities reaches its crescendo as we explore content creation. Ryan, a digital creator, turned his home into a canvas, producing videos that entertained, informed, and paved the way for a community of followers. Medley of all characters engaged in their respective endeavors, followed by a warm and cozy home environment. As our journey through money-making opportunities from home nears its conclusion, let us remember, the comforts of home can also be a launchpad for financial growth and personal empowerment. Whether you're a remote worker, a freelancer, an artisan, an educator, or a content creator, your home is a treasure trove of opportunities waiting to be unlocked, leaving you inspired and ready to explore their own home-based avenues of financial success.